Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Today I am coming to you all with another wash and go combo, but today I'm going to try something a little different. Recently I did a mini twist using this tropical Moringa Braid out glaze, and when I say that my curls were popping on the ends of my hair like instantly, I literally saw a difference. So today I'm just gonna try it out. I figured this would be a really good wash and go product, so I'm gonna try. Okay guys, so I have my hair sectioned off in 4 sections. So first I'm going to start off with my shea butter mixture and some water. Like I said, I am using the tropical Moringa braid out glaze. So the last time that I did this, my hair was a really soft hose, so I'm going to put the Eco Styler gel on top. Okay guys, so we're back. I've already moisturized. Like I said, I was going to put the shea butter all over. Now we're about to just get it cracking. So here we go. As you can see, all of my moisture is there. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. So my hair is pretty wet. I'm going to start off with just a tad bit of water though from my ends. Like now I'm going for the main choice braiding glaze. And I'm going to work that from the bottom on up. And apply some more. You can't be afraid of applying product. I like to make sure that my roots get it as well as my ends. So, and this is how you can avoid having to go through and do really tiny sections. Just making sure you're applying enough product. It's already starting to clump, which is always the goal. I use 2 custards, or like a custard in a gel, for that very reason, so that I can already get a clump before I'm actually putting the gel on my hair. So now I'm going to use just a little bit of moisture to spread this product a little bit more evenly, especially on my roots. I'm just going to work it on in there. So main choice products are known to be very concentrated, so you really don't need a ton of product. As you can see, I'm just raking that in there, and I'm about to go on to the next. So now I'm going to go in with my gel, and I'm going to split it up into sections when I do this, so only so that I can make sure that it's going to get fully defined. So I split that in half. I got about this much gel, and I'm going to start at my root this time and work it on down. And work it all the way down. So when the hair just kind of falls off naturally, I just let it. See this? Keeping it between my fingers, and I'm gonna let it go. So let's just see how defined that is, y'all. I'm excited. That's a good sign. Ooh, ooh. That makes me happy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I really showed you all in depth what I do. Let me show you one more time with this other half, yeah? So I'm gonna wet this just a tad bit because it's gotten a little dry. And if you remember, that was the last thing that I did to the whole section. And so now you can see the difference, right? This is without the gel added, and this is with the gel added. Yeah. And this tropical Moringa has a really nice shine. So I'm super excited. Gel, gonna start at the root and work our way all the way down, making sure that we're getting those ends as well. So this way I don't have to do super tiny sections. I'm working definitely in bigger sections than what I used to. I used to think that working in the smaller sections was what defined my curls, but that's just not the case, guys. I've learned my lesson. So I'm gonna add just a tad bit more to this end because I can see some frizz there, and I mean, essentially that's the goal. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. Typically I don't like to add too much water because the products just slip right on off my hair. but that just helped me to kind of spread it in some. And I'm gonna let it go. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in and do that to the rest. I do like to make sure that my ends are down. Make sure that they are slickety slick. Just because I mean, I say my ends, I meant to say my roots. I like to make sure that my roots are down. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna work my way through the rest of the hair doing the same thing, and I'm gonna fast forward in. So we got a whole section complete. So far so good. I think this is a promising combination. Seems like it's going to give me a little bit of a softer hold than I'm used to with my TGIN, but of course we may be able to change that based on when I go under the dryer. Okay guys, we're back. Here is the finished look. I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest of it air dry. As you can see, we have a nice defined, it's a little fluffy. This is definitely a more of a fluffier wash and go, but my hair isn't super crunchy. It's very shrunken, of course, but actually I feel like it's a little bit more shrunken than normal. It's very shrunken, but I typically will stretch it out when I go to sleep at night. So I'll show you that too. Let me show you the back, what the back is looking like. So you can see it is about 95% dry, but you can see this definition, guys. So I just wanted to show you all, okay, like you could wear your hair like this, especially because this is like a little bit of a fluffier wash and go, but I just like to separate out. I'm only going to show you guys a little bit of like places where I know it's super dry, right? So if I wanted to shape it, for example, this side is a little flat, so I would go through, take some oil, have just like a little oil blend that I make, and I'll go through and just like run my fingers down a strand where I see that it's already going to separate naturally. I really like this Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze because my hair is super soft, like it's soft and defined. So I just really like that, and it paired well with my Eco Styler, and it's shiny. I love how shiny my hair is. So this is what we're working with, and like I said, it'll get more stretched overnight, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Like, I really like it. Before I set it into the dryer, I shook my head a bit so that I could separate out the curls and like give myself some volume, and then I did pin this down with a bobby pin while I was under the dryer, just so that I wasn't like super high. I like to kind of like frame my face a little bit, and it makes a little bang. So this is what we're working with.